in Rhode Island. How much longer will it be falling, Michelle?
We do have a couple more hours of snowfall for some areas. The good news is it doesn't last long. In fact, by the end of the morning, I expect sunshine to be out, and what we've managed to accumulate on the grassy surfaces and car tops will be melted away. But at the moment, we are still tracking the snow falling across our area. And if you're headed out this morning, certainly the main concern is reduced visibility as the roadways are mostly wet. This is the live view now across Rhode Island, southeastern Massachusetts. You can see all the way down to the coastline, getting some wet snow this morning. Now in our northwestern part of Rhode Island this morning, we are dealing with some briefly heavier snowfall. You can see that crossing from northeastern Connecticut into the Rhode Island area this morning. This little darker blue that you see on the back edge of our precipitation this morning, and this is tracking eastward, so into the Providence area across 295 and 95. We're going to get likely another burst here of more moderate snowfall. We already saw that across one of those move across the area now into eastern Massachusetts this morning. It's lighter at the coastline, just that wet, light snow falling. Not much more than a little coating on the ground most of our area, but this is some of the snowfall reports just got in this morning. Tallinn, Connecticut, and this is again above 1,000 feet, catching about 2.5 inches of snow. Richmond, Rhode Island reports of about 1 inch there. Taunton at just over 3/4 of an inch of snow. Worcester, Brockton, East Providence, we're at about 1/4 inch of snow. Now in our northwestern part of the area, we are under winter weather advisory until 9 o'clock in the morning. This just basically states that there's going to be enough of a wintry weather scenario to maybe cause some problems for the morning commute, and that is our main concern. It's good news that the roadways are mostly wet, and that's what we expected as the ground has stayed above freezing now for several days. Mild weather earlier this week, so the pavement temperature is still above freezing. Even the air temperature slightly above freezing, still at 33 degrees. It's a wet snow that's mostly melting as it hits the ground. About 33 Providence, 34 Smithfield right now, Westerly, Newport, New Bedford all above freezing. Hyannis still at 39 degrees and just starting to make that changeover over the Cape to a little bit of wet snow. Here's the satellite and radar. Low pressure center well south and east going to be racing out of here. There's the back edge of the snowfall moving across western New England right now, and so it'll clear our area by about 8 o'clock most spots. In fact, even the Futurecast here showing by 6 a.m. and that may be a little bit fast. That rain and snow moving out, and sunshine for the rest of the day today as we head into tonight. Clear and very cold. The winds will be dying down. Our temperatures falling into the 20s for when you wake up Saturday morning, and then Saturday afternoon only recovering, even with lots of sunshine, to about 40 degrees. So we are giving it the yellow caution light for the morning commute. And again, keep in mind, we're not forecasting snow to accumulate on the roadways. They're going to be wet, but that wet snow will give way to sunshine. For the evening commute, the green light, clear and cold, temperatures between 37 and 42. In between for this afternoon, our temperatures in the lower 40s. Lincoln, Central Falls, downtown Providence, bright, sunny, but brisk northwest winds 10 to 20 miles an hour with some higher gusts. Garden City at 43. So wind chills this afternoon will be in the 30s. Temperatures along our coastline near 44 in Newport, Hope Valley at 43. Northern part of Rhode Island, cold, blustery, dry, but bright skies, 41 in Woonsocket, Cumberland at 41. And we've got a chilly afternoon, but a dry one, and a sunny one in Fall River, New Bedford in the low 40s, Middletown near 43. 7-day Futurecast, cold and dry going to be the theme for the weekend. In the 20s overnight, afternoon highs near 40 Saturday, a little bit milder Sunday near 44. We've got mostly rain on the way for Monday. May start or end as a little bit of a wintry mix. We'll keep you updated on that. I do see signs of us maybe warming up a little bit by Friday of next week. All the